Hello everyone, I hope you guys doing amazing out there. Today I'm bringing you another video from the village. Today I'm cooking with my sister. My sister is cooking from the village. My sister is currently just chopping the chicken we're going to use for our okra vegetable soup. We're going to pair this with akple. Akple is originated from Volta region. Most of Ghanaians consume akple. We have the same varieties in different regions, but in Volta region is cooked with cassava dough and a condo. So guys, today me and my sister is going to take you through the process. We have these stones in the house where we grind the pepper. We normally use cool pots with charcoal. Sometimes we cook from the pot in the village if you watch the previous video. So yeah, my sister is just prepping the soup at the moment, everything from the fire, then going to steam it. Then once it's all steamed, we're just going to leave it simmer for a few minutes. Then we're going to cook the akple. Guys, while you're watching the video, consider liking the video and also subscribe. Also share where you're watching from. We plan to do live cooking shortly, hopefully. If you are somebody who is interested in live cooking and you wanted to see how we prep everything from fresh, please do leave us a comment, because the more interest we get, then we can probably schedule this live cooking. Well, you can see my sister is fanning the fire now. I mean, that's the local fan. We call it papa in Volta region. And this is our normal house in the village. Yeah, this is where my sister's house is at the moment. Sometimes my sister comes to our house to cook, where you watch most of the videos. But today my sister is just cooking a quick 𝙬𝙬 ademedetsi. As you can see, the chicken is simmering very nice, steaming nicely, with the charcoal burning nicely. Yeah, so guys, I want you to enjoy the video. My sister normally use salt to wash the ademe, just to kill any germs or anything. But yeah, if you're somebody who enjoy these village videos or live cooking videos, like raw authentic videos, please do let us know in the comment section. I don't want to waste any much of your time. I'm just going to put a nice cool music in the background while you enjoy this immersive village cooking. Thank you so much. Akple. Make sure you like the video and share with your loved ones. Definitely see you guys next time with another video. Make sure you like the video though, please.